generations, the jeepney has been more than just a means of transport. It's a symbol of Filipino ingenuity, resilience, and community. But as we confront the challenges of modern urban life, we face a dilemma. How do we preserve this rich cultural heritage while embracing a sustainable future? Today, we explore the intersection of tradition and innovation and how science and technology can help us drive towards a greener and cleaner tomorrow. The jeepney, born out of surplus military jeeps after World War II, has become an icon of Filipino culture. These vibrant vehicles connect people, tell stories, and reflect the resourcefulness of Filipino spirit.
Bakit po ba naging parte ng mga Pilipino ang mga jeepneys po?
Kasi yan ang traditional jeepney natin. At yan ang naging mas kilala sa ating mga Pilipino.
But the charm of these traditional vehicles comes at a cost. Aging fleets, rising pollution, and ever-worsening traffic congestion are taking a toll on the environment and the health of the commuters.
Yung pang kulang pa ng isang sakay sa sasakyan, pilit na isasakay ka pa. Yun, di ba nagigit-gitan na?
Yes po.
Yun ang mahirap. Pilit ka pang ipapasok sa loob.
Malaking epekto po yung transitional jeepney po since yung usok po nito is malaking epekto lalo na po sa environment natin, sa pollution, and especially sa atin po dahil maraming tao na may sakit lalo na po sa puso, and nalalangkap nila yung usok na yun, which is nakakasama sa health natin.
Modern jeepneys, once just an idea, are now becoming a reality on the streets of the Philippines. These modern vehicles offer a cleaner, quieter ride and represent a pivotal step in the future of Filipino transport. Through the power of science and technology, we are imagining how we move while honoring our cultural roots.
It will improve the noise pollution, the air pollution in the city. The jeepneys and the tricycles are aching to be modernized.
Electric jeepneys aren't just about convenience. They're a critical part of the fight against air pollution. With zero emissions, they help clean the air, reduce carbon footprints, and contribute to the fight against climate change.
Unang-una po, hindi naman natin nililimita sa electric. In fact po, yung ating talaga nire-require is the Euro 4 standard. So fuel-driven pa naman ho yan.
For drivers, the transition to the electrical jeepneys brings numerous benefits. Beyond the environmental impact, these vehicles provide better working conditions, lower operating costs, and less physical strain.
Ano po yung pinagkaiba ng modern jeepney po sa traditional jeepneys po?
Kasi ang modern, mas mabilis ang travel, tapos siyempre hindi katulad nung dati na sirain tsaka mas mausok.
The impact of electric jeepneys is felt not just by the drivers but the entire community. Passengers now have access to a safer, healthier, and more enjoyable commute. It's a symbol that change is possible and progress is happening.
Ano po sa tingin niyo yung pinagkaiba po ng modern jeepneys sa traditional jeepneys po? Kung mas comfy po ba siya or...
Oo, mas comfy siya kasi aircon na rin, ganun. Tapos sa traditional jeep, exposed ka sa hangin, sa init. Sa modern jeep kasi, syempre, bago. So, wala pang ganong maitim na usok na binubugan. Yung traditional jeep kasi, di ba, matagal na yun, ganun. So, maitim na yung usok. Nakakasira sa ozone layer, environment, yun.
Sa modern jeep po kasi, mas makakatulong po to sa environment natin kasi po less pollution po. And sa traditional jeepney naman po,
polluted na po siya.
Yes po.
And hindi po siya healthy.
The future of transportation in the Philippines is bright with green, clean, and promising options. The decisions we make today, like choosing cleaner modes of transport or backing eco-friendly policies, help create a healthier future. And now it's time to move forward. Together, we can honor our past while building a sustainable future for the Philippines.